class, today we're going to be talking about severe weather. The standard we are focusing on is state the importance of preparing for severe weather, lightning, and other weather-related events. There are three objectives that go along with this standard. The first is to identify kinds of severe weather-related events. The second is to explain how scientists help people stay safe from severe weather. And the third is to describe how people prepare for severe weather. So can anyone give me an example of severe weather? Thunder is not considered a type of severe weather. Thunder is caused by the reaction of air from lightning, but we'll talk more about that in a little bit. The main types of severe weather we are going to be talking about is lightning, thunderstorms, hurricanes, and tornadoes. So our first type of severe weather is lightning. Lightning is a flash of electricity in the sky. Have you ever walked across a fuzzy blanket, reached for a door handle, and then zap, you feel a shock? You have just made a small-scale lightning bolt. The lightning that we see in the sky is much greater. Lightning can be in one cloud and go from one part to another. Lightning can go from one cloud to another, or it can go from a cloud to the ground. It's all caused by a moving electrical charge. All lightning is really hot. Lightning can cause fires or very bad injuries. That's why it's dangerous. We should stay inside and away from windows when there is lightning. There is no way to stop lightning from coming. The best way to prevent lightning from being more dangerous is to remove dead trees from around your house. Lightning could set these dead tree branches on fire, and the fire could spread to cause severe damage. The second type of severe weather is thunderstorms. Thunderstorms are a type of severe weather that have heavy rain, lightning, and thunder. Thunderstorm is a compound word that consists of the words thunder and storm. Thunder is a sound caused by hot lightning, causing the air to quickly expand and contract. Thunder is not a sound caused by two clouds colliding with each other. So think about clapping your hands when you think about thunder. When your hands come apart, that's like the air expanding. When your hands come back together quickly, that's like the air contracting. The noise your hands make is similar to the noise that thunder makes. Storm means a disturbance in the atmosphere. This means any type of weather outside the normal. Together, the words thunder and storm combine to make the word thunderstorm. Again, this means a type of severe weather that has heavy rain, thunder, and lightning. Our third type of severe weather is hurricanes. Hurricanes are a very large storm with heavy rain and strong rotating winds. A storm is considered a hurricane if the winds stay at least 74 miles per hour. That's as fast as a car driving down the interstate. They form over warm water in tropical areas. They use warm water as energy. The center of a hurricane is called the eye. There is low pressure in the eye, which means the weather is calm. They can make a spiral shape like in this picture. This picture is taken above land, and you can see Florida right here. Most hurricanes happen in the water, but when they reach land, they can be very dangerous. The winds can reach up to about 200 miles per hour. This wind can knock over trees, buildings, or houses. This wind can also cause very large waves. This is dangerous for people that live near beaches or water. These large waves can cause flooding to houses and other buildings. Flooding is when water enters into a place that's supposed to remain dry. If we look closely at this picture, we can see houses destroyed and water that has flooded the town. It is important that we prepare for severe weather. Families need to know their evacuation route. To evacuate means to leave, and a route is the way to get somewhere. Think back to when we do our fire drills. When we exit the building, we are evacuating. Our route is out the back door, down the blue hallway, out the door, across the bus ramp, and into the grass. It's also important to have non-perishable foods, flashlights, and a first aid kit. Our fourth type of severe weather is tornadoes. Tornadoes are a spinning cloud with a cone shape. Powerful rotating winds form a column that reaches from a cloud to the ground. So I'm going to demonstrate a tornado using this clear bottle, water and dishwashing liquid. You have to shake the bottle very fiercely. And if you look closely, you can kind of see a tornado-like figure. So this is a picture of a tornado. You can do this at home, it's not dangerous. So most tornadoes do not last long or cause much damage. Unfortunately, some tornadoes are extremely dangerous and destructive. They can flatten buildings or whip heavy objects such as cars into the air. Tornadoes' paths are unknown, which prevent us from being able to prepare well. If a tornado does come where you are, find a safe shelter right away. A safe shelter could include a basement or a storm shelter. If you do not have a basement or a storm shelter, get into a small interior room on the lowest level of your house. An interior room is one that all 4 walls are on the inside of the house. None of the walls are on the outside. This is a picture of a tornado destruction. If you can see right here, this is the path that the tornado took. So meteorologists are scientists that study the atmosphere to predict and understand Earth's weather. These are the people on the news that inform us about the current or future weather. When you're watching the news, you may hear the words tornado warning or a tornado watch. A warning means severe weather conditions are expected and will likely occur. A watch means severe weather conditions are possible, but there is a chance they may not occur. Meteorologists can track and warn people that hurricanes and thunderstorms are coming. Lightning and tornadoes are much less predictable. That means that meteorologists cannot always warn us when lightning or tornadoes are going to strike. Meteorologists are not always right. They're humans just like we are, but it's best to listen and be prepared. So I found 2 sources of technology that are very fun and very cool. The first is called KidStorm and the second is called Sciencing. I will provide the links to these 2 sites. You can read and watch more videos to learn more about severe weather from these 2 sites.